Drones have sparked a revolution, both in our daily lives and in the world of cinema. In our daily lives, drones have revolutionized several sectors. 1. Drones, once confined to military applications, have now permeated various sectors. 2. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are revolutionizing industries with their versatility. 3. From agriculture to filmmaking, drones offer efficiency and precision. 4. Miniaturized sensors enable drones to gather data for environmental monitoring. 5. In disaster relief efforts, drones aid in search and rescue missions. 6. They provide a bird's eye view for mapping inaccessible terrains. 7. Drone technology enhances infrastructure inspections, minimizing risks. 8. In the realm of entertainment, drones choreograph dazzling light shows. 9. Commercial delivery services explore drone fleets for efficient logistics. 10. Precision agriculture utilizes drones for crop monitoring and spraying. 11. Drones equipped with cameras capture breathtaking aerial photography. 12. Law enforcement agencies employ drones for surveillance and crowd monitoring. 13. Package delivery giants experiment with drones for rapid urban delivery. 14. Drone racing leagues showcase the agility and speed of these machines. 15. Emergency medical supplies can be swiftly transported by medical drones. 16. Wildlife conservationists track and study animals from above using drones. 17. Urban planners utilize drones to analyze city layouts and traffic patterns. 18. Drones facilitate the inspection of pipelines, power lines, and bridges. 19. With advancements in AI, drones exhibit autonomous flight capabilities. 20. As technology evolves, drones continue to redefine the possibilities of aerial exploration and innovation.
In conclusion, drones have revolutionized both our daily lives and the world of cinema. They have transformed industries, enhanced productivity, and provided new opportunities for creativity and expression. Whether soaring above farmland or capturing sweeping landscapes on the silver screen, drones continue to redefine the way we see and experience the world. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and share